Hi, welcome back to Retro Renovations, and this is Ben and Lucy.
Hello.
From Rust to Road Trip. That's right, isn't it?
That's the one.
That's the one. And Peggy.
Hi.
We're working on this Bedford. It is a CF.
It's a Bedford CF 350.
1979.
1979, and it's a month older than me, so it definitely needs work. But I'm only going to show you snippets on our channel. So if you want to see the work, because it's Ben and Lucy's project, they've been filming it.
You can head over to our YouTube channel. It'll be on our Instagram, on our Facebook. We'll be bombarding you with videos and photos very soon.
Yeah.
So watch our space. It's From Rust to Road Trip, all one word. Check us out.
And they need lots of inspiration to get on and build the lovely back piece and design kitchens and bed space and lighting, and
Yep.
it's colossal.
It's a huge project.
Yeah.
Huge project.
2 years in the making. You wouldn't think that's 2 years progress, would you?
No.
You've been travelling now.
It's all coming together soon. So yeah, watch this space.
Chloe's here to help rescue our crusty van, and then eventually, when the box is done, we'll be doing the conversion. It's going to look beautiful.
It's going to look beautiful eventually.
It's
One
going to be
day.
brilliant. So I'll put some of the work after this. See you on the next one.
Retro renovations do not go away.
I have seen you here before. Not a coincidence, I'm sure. I hope you're looking at me now from the corner of your eye. Someday I will see more than just your beauty. Someday I will be starring in your movie. Someday you will be drinking your coffee with me. You run your fingers through your hair. Something inside begins to flare. Now you're doing it again. I close my eyes and count to 10. Someday I will see more than just your beauty. Someday I will be starring in your movie. Someday you will be drinking your coffee with me. But if you could be the one I need more. So what am I waiting for? Someday I will see more than just your beauty. Someday I will be starring in your movie. Someday you will be drinking your coffee